Good day, everyone. My name is GMAC Magnanao, and this discussion is we will talk about the time value of money. But before that, um, we have learning objectives. So this topic aims that the students be able to identify the role of the time value of money in finance, understand the concept of compounding of interest and effective annual rate or EAR, and define and compare future and present value, compute the future and the present value of the ordinary annuity and annuity due, and define and understand perpetuity. So let's um discuss the background of time value of money. So time value of money is a core principle in financial management. It explains how the value of money changes over time. Um, Time value of money talks about that money today is worth more than the same amount in the future because money has earning potential when it comes to interest or investment returns. So why TVM matters? So money can grow when invested. So if ang imong money is i-invest nimo when it comes to uh let's say sa land. So ang imong money invest nimo sa land or i-invest nimo sa stocks na ay balik sa imuha. And timing of cash flows is important in time value of money. So the time value of money is used in evaluating the investments, the loans, and the long-term financial decisions. So the core idea of time value of money. So money earns interest over time. So it is based on the idea that again, it's based on the idea that the specific amount of money today is worth more than the same amount in the future because money has earning potential. And however, delayed money loses value due to the fact of missed earning opportunities, inflation, and financial decisions must consider when money is received or paid. So, dili lang pwede nimo tan-awon ang value pod sa money karon, but also ang effect or ang reasons nganong ma-lose ang value sa money if in the future, ano. So the key concepts of time value of money, we have six key concepts of time value of money, and we will this will be discussed of the other members or the other reporters. So present value. So this is just an overview of the key concepts of time value of money. So first is present value. So present value is current value of future money, and it is calculated by discounting future cash flows, and it helps compare future money and today's terms. So meaning ani is ang current value sa imuhang future money. Moro yun na siya ang definition yun sa present value, like pila ang value sa imuhang current money in the future. And then future value or FV, value of money at a future date, and it's based on interest rate and time, and it's used to estimate investment growth. So, a future value is value sa imuhang money in the future. So, ang difference niya between present value and future value is that present value ang current value sa imuhang future money, while ang future value is value sa imuhang money in the future. And then compounding interest. So, interest earned on initial principal or previously earned interest. So interest is calculated on both the initial principal and the accumulated principals. Accumulated accumulated interest from previous records, and it is leads to faster growth of money over time. So effective annual rate or EAR, which is actual annual return considering compounding, and more accurate than simple interest rate and useful in comparing financial positions. So, ang effective annual rate is ang actual annual rate of return, and i-consider nimo ang kaning compounding interest in EAR. So annuities, and it is a series of equal payments over time, and it has two types, which is ordinary annuity, and it is payments at the end of each period, and annuity due, it is payments at the beginning of each period. And then lastly, perpetuity, it is an infinite series of payments. It is a type of annuity that continues indefinitely. So it is common in certain investments. An example is dividends. So let's continue in role of TVM in finance. So, in finance, TVM plays a crucial role in decision-making processes such as retirement planning, valuation of financial assets like stocks and bonds, and structuring loan repayments and assessing capital investments. Financial managers rely on TVM to determine whether future benefits outweighs the present cost of the money. So the time value of money concept helps investor set realistic financial goals and decide amounts to invest or save to fulfill financial objectives. When you are able to compare potential risk versus returns, you can make informed decisions. So in conclusion, the time value of money or TVM is a fundamental financial concept that explains why money today is worth more than the same amount in the future due to its earning potential. It plays a crucial role in evaluating financial decisions by considering the timing of cash flows, whether in investments, loans, or savings. So understanding TVM helps individuals and businesses make informed and strategic choices, ensuring better financial planning, efficient resource allocation, and long-term financial stability. So these key concepts of TBM will be further discussed of other reporters. Consist na dito ang computation on how to compute your money. So that would be the conclusion of my report for today. Thank you for listening.